Sorry, I didn't realize my mic was muted. Uh, that's my bad. Santa and a $600 short. You witnessed before this a premium alert that you can get access to for $100 for the first week, $500 a month after that. We ran 12 points on the long. My name is Kyle. This is the Swag Show. Welcome in. Sorry about, I didn't realize my mic was muted. But yeah, happy Tuesday. But yeah, welcome in. NQ Prop is 2 for 2 for $400. We showed you that as well while I was on mute. I'm sorry about that. But thank you for being here and tuning in. If you want the digital mentorship or the premium alerts or the premium algorithms or the standard algorithms, all you got to do is email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. We'll hook you up with the info that you need to make the decision for you that works best. My boy Scott making, what is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, almost $9,000 today. Good job, Scott. What a good dude Scott is. We had such a blast when we went to Vegas. Can't wait to meet him again, hang out. All the people that I met out there in Vegas were awesome people. There was a few of them that were a little deceitful, I should say, but we're not going to name any names. And that's all right. People do their thing, you know? All right, let's see. Get back into this trading stuff, huh? Nothing in the trade as of right now. We'll just keep watching. We'll see if we can maybe give another premium alert. $300 for the standard algorithms for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that. Take advantage. Here's NQ Prop once again in along. Or is this Santa? Nope, this is Santa. Sorry. NQ Prop is in a trade, but we're watching Santa right now. Silver's in a trade as well. So let's see. Another guaranteed green trade from Santa here. Locked in $75 worth of profit. And there you go, another $75. That's 150 on the day. I mean, you could be done. That's $3,000 a month per account if you made $150 a day. That's good money. I mean, just for clicking a button and 15 minutes worth of work, right? Silver is in a trade. Santa's in a trade. Let's go over here to silver. Let's let you look at some silver here. Green, $250. That fast. It's only been in a trade for like 2 minutes, and you're up $250. I don't think anybody can say they make, that much per hour. right? 250 bucks per hour, unless you're a doctor, a lawyer, or something. So if you made 250 bucks a day, that's like having a full-time job at 25 bucks an hour. So with no lunch, I guess. You know what I mean? So why wouldn't you take your profit and be done? You could go do whatever you wanted the rest of the day. All you need to do is make your 200 bucks per account. You know, that's what the power of the prop firm does. That's why you should get some Apex accounts, Tradeify, Take Profit, whatever you want to get. The power of the prop firm. Go join Lauren and Jen over on TikTok as well. They go live for you each and every day, Monday through Friday. BoldBot underscore Jen or just Jen. Just search them up. They're hilarious. They go live. They show you more of the algorithms in real time for you guys to enjoy watching on TikTok. Come all the way down to 38 or no? Maybe come down to 38. We'll just put it at I'm gonna say 43. I don't know if it's coming back down. So silver was up almost 300 bucks at that one point. Now it's dropping here, so we'll see what happens. See if NQ can get us into a long here. Real close to getting that tick. Well, that's a bugger. Missed us by 1.5 points. Missed us by 1.5 points on the premium alert. We'll see if it can come back down. It might be able to come back down here and get us in this. Let's see here. Here's the NQ alert. It missed it by 1.5 points. We shall see. We missed it by 1.5 tick or 1.5 points. That's all right. Go. Go back over to silver here and show you what silver's doing. $200 back, green 200 on silver, and that is part of the standard algorithms box seats, and that's only $300 for the first 2 weeks, and then $1,000 a month after that. If you want to email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com and get these algorithms, guys, you might as well do it if you're a trader. It helps you make money without the stress of having to figure things out on your own. Just let the algorithms trade for you and make you money. Came right down to it again. $250 now on the silver. Need NQ to come down 2 more points, and we'll be in the long. There we go. In the long here on NQ. Let's move it over so we can track it together here. Here we go. +5, +6 points, +7 points, +8 points, +8 points. Trail moved. Almost 9 points there, +10 points. TP1 hit. Still got 2 contracts on, +11 points, +12 points, +13 points. +14 points. +14 points is the high so far, high watermark. There we go, $600 trade, +14 points at the high watermark here, folks. We're doing it. We're doing it and doing it well. To see if this can go up and away here. There's 15 points. +15 points. The trail is still engaged. It will follow it. It's a trailing stop loss. It will follow the trade up as high as it wants to go here. We just had to wait for the right setup. Got to be patient. There we go. Trail hit. There we go. 2 for 2 on the premium alerts today. and it's before 10 o'clock, so a half an hour's worth of work, and I've already given out what 15 plus 12, 27 points times $20 is, whatever, $540 on one mini contract. $540 on one mini contract. I think Jen is live too. I wonder if she's talking about me. I should go over there and check in while we're on here. Let's see. Is Jen live? Yep, she's live. I'll tap the screen. We'll give her some love. Silver is still in this trade. NQAM is in a trade. We'll click over to that. NQAM, here it goes, in a trade. Green 135. This is part of the standard algorithms as well, guys. This is part of the standard algorithms you can get for $300 for the first 2 weeks, then $1,000 a month after that. NQAM. This is NQAM. It's looking for 350. We're almost there. We got to get to 23,133. Will it get there? Will it get there? Let's hope. Let's pull back. Almost there. Almost to target. Oh, target hit. All right, what else can we show here? Now we're on to silver. Back into silver, I guess. We'll go back over to silver. Everything is green for today. There we go. Mm-mm. Nothing else in a trade except for silver right now. We're keeping an eye on everything. We did have a win on NQ early or NQAM, whatever you want to call it. NQ prop is up $600. The premium alerts are 2 for 2 on NQ. So yeah, we're having a great day so far. 50 bucks on silver, 100 bucks on silver. We're going down, down in an earlier round. We'll see if NQ wants to hold it above resistance 1 here, above our proprietary chop zone, which I'm not going to tell you where it's at, but it's above it right now. $225 now on silver box seats, silver range, whatever you want to call it. It is part of the standard algorithm that you can get access to for 300 bucks for the first 2 weeks, 1,000 bucks a month after that. All you got to do is email BoldBotLLC at gmail.com. 2 for 2 on the premium alerts, 1 for 1 on NQ early for 350 bucks on 1 mini contract. NQ prop is green 600 bucks. That is one of the premium algorithms. And you're watching silver in a trade right now, green 250. This is hands-on silver, so that means you move the stop loss whenever you feel comfortable, whenever the profit is at where you want it to be at. Lock it in, move that stop loss close. Just remember, every 5 minutes it will reset back and move the stop loss back to where it was. But if I wanted to lock it in, I could just move the stop loss and drop it right there. Okay, and then in 1 minute or at 10:05, it will move it back. But we're 500, 600 bucks now on silver. 600 bucks on silver right now. Big, big. Take your profit when it comes to you. Make that money. Do, 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 do. Happy birthday to Vinny. Do, do, do. Any other questions, comments? YM's in a trade. Okay. Silver, I move it over to the YM. Here's YM. It's in a short. Silver's still in that trade, by the way. But like I said, it's hands-on silver, so you want to move the stop loss and take your profit when it comes to you. If it's green 600, you better be locking in that 500, or you better set your, you know, your parameters on your accounts to, end the day when you're green 500 bucks. Because why, why do you want to try and get greedy and go for more per day, per account? That's only going to bust you. That's only going to cause problems. Unless you're like a 90% win rate trader and you've been doing that for over a year, I wouldn't get greedy. I would just take what it comes. Jen, I guess, is done. Good job, Jen. Give her some love on the emojis. Jason, good job, Jason. Good job, good job. Haha. Yeah, I'm going to do an on my cats. Yeah. Santa is in a trade. YM is still in this trade. Back to even. Let's go back over and see what Santa's doing here. Santa's in a long here. We'll see. Santa baby, go Santa go. Ho ho ho. Up the rainbow. I don't know. I'm just being silly. This is one of the premium algorithm though, guys. Called NQ Santa. We do have about 9 or 10 different algorithms. Inside of each algorithm, there are many different strategies. We have about 50 different strategies in total. All of them tested and tried for months before releasing them to you. And we always are tweaking them and updating them and trying to go with the flow of the market and making them better for you guys. So if you're interested in something that can trade for you, if you don't have the time or you don't want to learn, use the algorithms. Let them trade for you. Don't get stressed out. Just let it do its thing. Four, 370, 380, 390, 400 now on Santa. And, this could be the only trade you want to take for the day. Like I said, there's no reason to get greedy. Greedy is going to kill your accounts. You got to swag. You got to stop when you're at your goal. You got to set a daily goal. And you don't have to hit it every day, guys. If you come close, if you're within 50 or 100 bucks, let's say your goal is 300, but you only made 125. Are you going to keep trading or are you just going to be done? Well, it depends on how confident you are in the next setup and the next trade. But with the algorithms, you just let them do their things. You turn them on, you let them run, and they do their things for you. That's what I mean by not letting your emotions come into play when you manually trade. You just let the algorithms do it for you. They're going to trade regardless. They're going to do their thing regardless. You don't have to watch them. The only one you have to keep an eye on is if you're doing silver. It is called hands-on silver. So you do want to take profit as it comes to you. But the rest of them, you just let them go. We're in a $540 long now on Santa. $400. Doll hairs. If you want more information, right here is the email, BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. If you want a Apex eval account, right up here, use the code SWAGSHOW. Also, I have Tradeify link right there if you want to get Tradeify accounts. And Flowbots is Replicanto. Here's a link and a discount code if you want a good trade copier. Use Replicanto. Brought to you by Flowbots. Do, 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 do. Today, Outlaw, Platinum number 2, green 525, NQ Open, green 1375, NQ AM 1345, NQ Day 405. That's like $3,000 on Outlaw alone. $500, $600, still on Santa. Do, 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 do. Oh, Santa's out of a trade. Nothing else in a trade. Oh, YM's in a trade. Let's go back over here to YM and look at that. YM, range YM. Still in this short. All right. Trying to see if anything's in a trade. Nothing right. Meow. Nothing in a trade but the YM trade. We are trying to wait and see if anything is going to happen here. On NQ, it's just kind of chopping around now. Switch over here, see what Santa's doing again. Santa in a long. Let's see. Can we get into a trade? A trade. Gonna wait until after 10:30 actually. This is the no alert zone, so we will see what's going on here. This is Santa that you're watching right now. In a short, we'll see if it gets any traction or headway here. Going into the 10:30 candle, 5 minutes until that 10:30 candle opens. So we will see what happens. Thank you guys for tuning in. Remember, if you want more information, all you got to do is email BoldBotLLC@gmail.com. Let them know you saw it on the swag show. You want more information. You want to join either the premium alerts, the premium algorithms, the standard algorithms, or join the digital mentorship. All you got to do is email. There's another $225, $300 Santa trade. And like I said, this one will close the trade out for you, but if you wanted to move the stop loss, you could to lock in more profit. You don't have to. $300 trade. YM won. Really? It did? It did. Range YM did hit target. The one that we were watching earlier. But now we're in a Santa short. $300. $300. All right. And we're out. Just like that. Just like a thief in the night, we are out. I will holler at you guys tomorrow. I hope you have a great day. Be safe, be kind, be loving, be caring. Do something nice for one another. Make sure you click the thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Tell a friend, and I'll see you next time.